Cell Academy, Goa's best institute for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12th. State topper for NEET, JEE, BITSAT 2024 are produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12th at our study centers in Margao, Vasco and Prudent. Book your seat today. Limited seats available.
Goa police has initiated an inquiry into the role of Uttam Singh, who is arrested by Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau for allegedly laundering money related with international drugs cartel. Accused Uttam Singh is a Mapsa resident and he runs a mobile shop there. But Telangana Anti-Narcotics Bureau, after ongoing investigation into a drugs cartel case, has arrested him and has recovered 50 lakh rupees cash concealed inside a washing machine kept in his residence. Now Goa police feels that he might also have laundered money on behalf of a foreign drugs peddler who was arrested by crime branch for being in illegal possession of drugs worth 1.6 crore rupees. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.